Hello, welcome back to our channel. If you're a fresher and wondering how to get started with Zoho, then you're in the right place. Zoho is one of the fastest growing tech companies, and they're always looking for new talent. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how you can apply as a fresher and begin your career journey with Zoho. The first step is to open your browser and go to zoho.com, the official Zoho website. If you're new, you can sign up and create a Zoho account by entering your basic details. If you already have an account, simply log in with your credentials. Having an account makes the application process smoother. Once you're logged in, scroll all the way to the bottom of the homepage and look for the careers link. Clicking on it will take you to Zoho's official career portal, which is where they list all the open positions. Now click on View Open Roles to explore the current job openings. You'll see a wide range of opportunities available. Since you're applying as a fresher, look for entry-level positions or roles that don't require prior work experience. Browse carefully and choose a role that matches your skills, your area of study, or your career interests. When you find a role that excites you, click on it to see more details about the responsibilities, qualifications, and benefits. If you feel it's a good fit, go ahead and click the I'm interested button. This will open up the application form. Here, you'll need to provide your personal information, educational background, and any relevant skills or projects you've worked on. Even if you don't have job experience, highlight internships, college, projects, or certifications that show your ability. Fill everything out neatly and carefully because this is your very first impression with Zoho. After completing the form, click Submit Application to send it directly to Zoho's recruitment team. If you already have a Zoho Corporation account, you can use the Easy Apply option, which saves time by pulling your information automatically. You can also apply through your Indeed account if your profile there is updated. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll be one step closer to starting your career at Zoho. Just remember, the key for freshers is to show enthusiasm, a willingness to learn, and skills that match the role. Once you apply, keep an eye on your email for updates about your application status. Thanks for watching, and I wish you the best of luck in landing your dream job at Zoho. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more career and tech-related guides.